In this video, we'll learn how to rotate our finished meshes in order to prepare them for paneling. The first thing we'll do is make a copy of our relaxed mesh model and put it down here. mPanel uses the world coordinate system, which means that it creates panels from a top-down view, no matter what customized view we're in Rhino. In order to make sure that the program creates all of the panels right side up, we need to rotate any meshes that are nearly vertical or that tuck under the boat, ensuring that the outside faces of the mesh are clearly visible from top view. Otherwise, some of our panels might be flipped over during production. On our model, we're going to need to rotate these two side panels in magenta, which are nearly vertical. We'll also need to rotate these two back panels in dark green and orange, which are also nearly vertical. And we'll need to rotate our long, bright green bottom panels running along the sides of the boat, which actually tuck all the way under the boat, as you can see. To do this, we'll use the Rhino Rotate tool. We'll start with the side panels, and we'll go to a right view. Since our boat is sideways, that puts us looking at the front of the boat. Now we'll click on the Rhino Rotate tool. We'll select Objects to Rotate. We're starting with this magenta mesh. Press Enter when done. Now we'll select our center of rotation, which will be right up here, and then our angle or first reference point, which will be just above that. And then we'll rotate this panel out horizontally like this. Now we'll do the same thing to the other magenta panel. Select the tool, select the object, center of rotation, first reference point, and then we can rotate this out horizontally just like the other one. Now we're going to do the same thing for these bright green side panels. Select the mesh, select the center of rotation, first reference point, and rotate that out. Let's do the same thing on the next one. There we go. And now we're going to go into a side view. That'll actually be a front view since our boat is looking sideways. When we go to a front view, we'll be looking at the side of the boat. And now we're going to do the two back panels. So let's start with this dark green one. Rotate that up. Let's just slide it out a little bit because it's kind of close. And then let's do the same thing with our orange one at the bottom. Rotate that out. And we'll go ahead and slide this one up here beside the other one. Returning now to top view, we can be sure that the panels will all be on the correct side of the fabric because looking down we can see all of the meshes correctly. To learn how to panel these rotated meshes, watch the next video in the series.